Hey guys, Wing Rider here. We're going to do a video today on how to install Basecamp and get the latest updated maps onto your computer so that we can use Basecamp to create the purple line. So right off the bat, we got to search for Garmin Basecamp. There we have it. We just click on the download icon and it'll take you right to the Basecamp software page. And if we scroll down, you can see that we can download it for either a Windows PC or a Mac. And I've downloaded it onto my PC. And next, we're going to show you the steps on installing it all into the system. Now, I've already got it installed, a basic part of it. So we'll skip that and move on to updating the software and installing the maps. So once you've got Garmin Basecamp installed on your PC, I'm using the PC version. I don't have an Apple product. You'll notice it'll come up and it's loaded a global map, and there are no other maps to choose from. And when you scroll in on a global map, there's not a lot of detail. It's just not there. So what you need to do is connect your device, in this case my Garmin GPS, my 595, and once it's connected and turned on, it'll connect to Garmin, to Basecamp, and the map that's loaded on the GPS will show up here as a map that you can select. The problem here is that it's now reading off of the Garmin through a USB cable. And what we want to do is we want to install the map on the laptop or the computer that you're using. Much faster, quicker, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so my Garmin is connected now. It shows up here, the Zumo 595. And it says it sees the City Navigator 2025.2. That's the latest map from Garmin. And I updated it. But as you can see, we now have topographical information and all the kind of stuff that's on the map in the Garmin. Well, when we scroll in, you'll notice it loses information and it's really slow and it's just not reactive. So now we're going to install the map on the laptop using some other Garmin products. So we're going to use a program called Garmin Express, which is right here. It'll fire up, and you can see I have another Nuvi GPS that's not connected. But my 595, it sees it, it's connected. So if we click on it, it says there's a map update available. So let's have a look and see what it is. 2026.1. So actually that's a new update from about a month ago. So this is 2025.2. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Before we do, we got to click Installation Options. And down here you can see Device Only or Computer and Device. So we're going to select Computer and Device, and that will install the new map on the Garmin and on my computer. Let's click Install. It's going to take a while. I have a slow internet connection here, so it says 32 minutes, but probably more like 45. So we just click Install, accept the terms and conditions, and a warning, don't unplug anything, and just hit it. So there, as you can see, 4 hours, 5 hours, whatnot. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, and we'll come back when it's all done.
Eventually.
Okay, we're up to date now with all our maps and our software. Garmin Express, it took about 2 hours to do. We had to download a huge database of maps and then update the Garmin and the Basecamp program. So let's open up Basecamp again and see what we got. So we're connected now, and you can see that there we go. We're uploading a map from Garmin, and let's see what goes on here. It says here we're using NT 2026.1, which is the new map, and 2025.2, which was still available on the Garmin. So we're updating everything here, which is a good deal. So we'll just let that finish updating over there. And then we can start in on what we're doing here. Okay, the Garmin is now all updated as well. So we can actually unplug it from the computer. There we go. And we're now using 2026.1. So we've updated everything, and we're ready to start using Basecamp on our laptop. Now, as you can see, the detail on the map is much better than it was when we were just using a base map. Let's scroll in on Vancouver here. I noticed one thing that was wrong with the old map update, and it was the Chevron station in Hope wasn't showing up. Let's scroll in here and have a look, and it's right there, and it showed up. There it is now as a Chevron. So there was an update of some sort that showed these gas stations now appearing. So we're all up to date, and that's today's instruction on installing Basecamp and downloading the latest map. My next video, we're going to talk about creating waypoints to form a track. And the track, that's the purple line that I keep talking about.